Welcome to Making Sawdust. I'm Kevin, and thank you for joining me. For those of you that have been following along, you guys know that I am transforming my dirt floor basement into a functional workshop. To start today's video, Tyler and I have to remove the vertical lumber storage at the base of my steps so we can give the entrance to my workshop a facelift. Later I show you what I've been hoarding with the first look inside the shed. Lastly, Tyler and I go into town to do some dumpster diving and some picking that leads to a couple new projects. So I'm at the post office getting my mail, right? Yeah. Here it's off. I can put it in a box just fine, but you can't get the thing out. It's cardboard. Sure, I could bend the piss out of it. What are you doing, Tyler?
Standing here.
Okay. you doing, Tyler?
Thinking.
Okay. Jesus, Ricky, slow down. We got some carts. What are you doing, Tyler?
Waiting to hear some music while I work out here in the hot. The heat. Hot. Whatever.
It ain't hot outside, Tyler.
Sweating.
No, really, what are you doing?
Running on a treadmill. Here, I would have to disconnect the wire to the motor, so I just disconnected it from the incline motor.
Gotcha.
Like we did on the last one.
That's cool. That's going to be a good, I hope, drill press table lift.
Yeah.
And that's a big boy there.
And I gotta cut this back out to get the power cord out.
Cool.
Still.
Pretty good pallets there, Ricky.
Awesome.
Good at time, you got some guts. How are you gonna manage that?
That ain't going anywhere.
Thanks for joining me, folks. You guys are rock stars for sticking around this long, so now it's time to get out in your shop and start making sawdust. Stick around for a future video of the saw set. Make sure to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, and you're going to see a little bit more of this stuff.